If you are facing msv1160cp10.dll as the missing error, then this video is for you. Because I do play lots of new games and review software, I have encountered this problem many times. Many of my subscribers are gamers, so they asked me solution of this problem, so here I am sharing the solution. But before going forward, let me introduce myself. I am Neil, a software engineer. I am working on a mission to spread technology-related awareness among them who don't have any IT background. By subscribing this channel right now and share one of my video, you would help me to spread tech-related knowledge. Thank you. As an experienced gamer and software engineer, I know that this error is caused by an unintentionally deleted msv1160cp10 DLL file, which forces applications or games to crash. Malicious programs and infections by them cause msv1160cp10 DLL with the rest of the system files to get corrupted. To fix issue, you need to download msv1160cp10.dll to PC from website. There are many websites, but I personally use thisdll.com for downloading DLL files. I am not promoting this website, you can use any website. To download file, simply scroll down and click on download. Close the advertisement. You can see here your download will start in 0 seconds. Wait for some time and you can have a zip file. Simply extract this zip file. Then copy DLL file from folder. Now go to this PC, navigate to local disk C system32, then paste DLL file here. You'll need to provide permission, click on continue. Now you need to reboot the computer. After that, run your application or game. It should run now. Hope you enjoyed. Like the video and subscribe channel. Have a wonderful day.